નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, this is the topic. This topic is fully, directly concerned with our life. From childhood, our mother, father, or parents, guardians will instruct us, will make us ready with their instruction. And their instruction is always with this topic. નાના હોઈને પડી જઈએ, you will start crying. If you'll cry, then I will not speak it. Then you will not have this sweet. Then you will not have this toy. If you will speak 1 to 10, I'll give you this small thing, big thing to you. Keep in your mind if he is always with the condition and with the result. Wherever if is used, wherever unless is used, consequences, results would be always there. And with that result only, what is the main functions of if, what's the main functions of unless, and what's the difference in sentence structure with different use and usage, that we will come to know here. Dear student friends, let's go ahead with lesson number 6, conditions. What's here? Conditions would be always in all the languages. If it happens, next to that result will be there. Here it is also known as reason and result. Conditions would be always with the consequences, result. One thing I'll tell you, if it happens, this will be. It can be both the ways. If it happens, this cannot be both the ways. Rarely 5%. If you replace the action, main action will become dependent action will become main action, and more or less meaning is not changed. Rarely it is possible. Otherwise, this is not possible. Wherever it comes, with it, you have to use main action. This is confirmed. Apart from that, one more thing I'll tell you. Wherever if is used, if indicates the positive. If you will use negative sense according to given tense, it may indicate to you negative sense also. But here, if you will use unless, that indicates negative sense. If simple is used, it indicates positive sense. If is used with tense negation, then it indicates negative sense also. Wherever unless is used, unless is equal to negative sense only, that you will give in your mind. Okay? If is used or unless is used makes no difference. With that you have to use main clause only. After using main clause, you will add their dependent clause. While adding dependent clause, you will add here comma. This you will keep in your mind. Comma is must. Just before dependent action, reverse condition is possible. First of all, you will use dependent action. Then afterwards, you will add if unless with main clause. Here, comma is nowhere else used. This will be given. This is the basic fundamental characteristic of if and fundamental characteristic of unless. Suppose that we'll start with the first sentence. What's there with the first sentence? You see, if it rains so hard, soon after that I have kept comma. If it rains so hard, comma is used there, it may harm all. तो बचे हमें कोई बाकी नहीं बचे. This is confirmed. Got the idea? If you will reverse it, it may harm all. If it may harm all, it rains so hard, then meaning will get changed. Meaning will get changed, that is confirmed. Apart from that, with if main clause is used, main action is used, what is the next action? That is fully based, that is fully dependent on the first one. If it does not rain, then it may not harm all. If it rains so hard, if main clause is possible, main action is possible, then afterwards only dependent action is possible, then afterwards only dependent result will come out. If I'll be the first drinker, I will offer you an ice cream. You do one thing, you offer an ice cream, now only you will be the first drinker. That is not possible. Good idea. You may feel it a hard time in your life. If you will take it seriously, here, comma, anything else, nothing is used here. Comma, no comma, nothing is used. Directly, why is it so? Because if is used here as a conjunction, and with conjunction, before conjunction, comma is not used anywhere else. You may face it a hard time. This is the result. This is the result. You may face it a hard time in your life if you will take it seriously. Something, leave it now, whatsoever it is. We will fight it, we will face it, and we will have the ultimate reality of life. Leave it, have it, enjoy it. Then it will not be so serious in your life. Whatsoever it is, but this sentence indicates positive sense. This sentence indicates positive sense. Here, with if, affirmation is used. Negation is not used anywhere else. On the contrary, we will go hard with unless. Unless you work hard. This is the main clause. Main clause. Unless you work hard, this is the main action. You may be an unsuccessful fellow. Here, if you work hard, you will be a successful fellow. Unless, keep in your mind another thing, unless is equal to if plus not. Not is automatically added with if. That is the meaning of this. This is most important thing, and that you will keep in your mind. Another thing, once again we will come back. Unless you work hard, you may be an unsuccessful fellow, or you will be. Here, the total meaning of the sentence with the main action is in negation. Here we will use first one dependent action, then afterwards we will go ahead with the main action. Whatsoever it is, this comma will not be used. Why is it so? Because if or unless will be always used as a conjunction between these two clauses. At that time, no chance for comma. If it is used in the initial stage of the sentence, there must be a comma soon after the main action, soon after the principal clause. You may not meet the good fortune unless it is in your fortune. It is in your love. Fortune. નસીબમાં જ નથી તો you will not have it. નસીબમાં જ છે તો you will have it. Got the idea? This is the basic fundamental of if unless. Be ready with your mind somewhere else. Unless is used and you have to convert it into if not. Here not is equal to negation, but this negation must be according to tense. Which tense is used based on that it should be. Got the idea? In this way, we are moving ahead. We move ahead with if, unless conditional sentences. What's here for the next? Change the same topic that will come to know little later. Till that, I'll give you time to write down it. Write down it. Be ready with this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.